monsoon session of the State Assembly all set to begin. The suspense over who will succeed Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav as Leader of Opposition in the Assembly has ended.
Now, the party has picked veteran leader Mata Prasad Pandey for the post of the Leader of Opposition. He is a Brahmin leader, and at 81 years, he is one of the senior most leaders of the party.
He's been a 7-time MLA who has currently been elected from Etawah. He has vast experience. He has served as the UP Assembly Speaker and Minister in the state. The decision was taken after a meeting of the MLAs at the SP headquarters in Lucknow.
Now, the party also announced Kamal Akhtar as the Chief Whip of the party and Rakesh Kumar Verma as the Deputy Whip. But the position of Leader of Opposition garnered the most interest. Remember, Akhilesh Yadav has held the post of Leader of Opposition in the UP Assembly since the beginning of the Assembly turn in 2022. Akhilesh resigned from the membership of the Assembly to retain the Kannauj Lok Sabha seat, which he won recently.
अब ये महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मेदारी है और ऐसे समय तो और जिम्मेदारी बढ़ गई है जब सरकार आकंठ भ्रष्टाचार में डूबी हो, बेरोजगारी की समस्या बढ़ती चली जा रही हो, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की समस्या उत्पन्न हो गई हो, किसानों की समस्या उत्पन्न हो गई हो, विद्युत की समस्या हो, तो बाढ़ से भी समस्याएं उत्पन्न हुई हैं। जो सारी समस्याएं हैं, ये सबको ये एक चुनौती के रूप में समाजवादी पार्टी स्वीकार करके सरकार को घेरे। क्यों पीडीए को तो है ही है। और जहाँ तक मेरा प्रश्न है कि ब्राह्मण चेहरे के नाते बनाया गया, ये सवाल नहीं, मैं समाजवादी पार्टी का एक कार्यकर्ता रहा हूँ। और जहाँ तक पीडीए की लड़ाई का सवाल है, हम बहुत ज़्यादा लड़े हैं।
Now, ahead of the UP Assembly session, politics has erupted over the UP Leader of Opposition after SP appointed Mata Prasad as the Leader of Opposition. The BJP and the BSP have questioned the PDA plank of the SP.
Well, both the BJP and the BSP have slammed Akhilesh Yadav's party. UP's Deputy Chief Minister has in fact alleged that Akhilesh Yadav has betrayed the SC/ST. And Mayawati's message is that PDA was only for vote bank. That's what Mayawati is asking Samajwadi Party.
Our colleague Adib is joining us over the phone line with the details. Adib, there were several speculations on who would succeed Akhilesh Yadav as the Leader of Opposition in the Assembly. Now a name has been picked, but the BJP as well as the BSP now saying this is an insult to the backward classes.
Well, definitely, Pratibha, Akhilesh Yadav and Samajwadi Party during the entire course of Lok Sabha elections was talking about the PDA, and before the announcement of the LOP for UP Assembly, it was well being speculated that a leader from the PDA community will be named as LOP, but Akhilesh has named Mata Prasad Pandey, who comes from an upper caste community, and since Akhilesh has named Mata Prasad Pandey, BJP and BSP both are training guns on Akhilesh Yadav, saying that Akhilesh Yadav has betrayed the PDA and he has used PDA just for the vote bank politics.
Absolutely. Adib, in fact, if you remember, Akhilesh Yadav did give credit to his PDA formula, isn't it? But now he's added one B to the PDA.
Definitely, Swati, but Samajwadi Party is saying that in the PDA family, whoever believes in Samajwadi ideology comes in the PDA family. This is how Samajwadi Party is defending the move by their national president Akhilesh Yadav, saying that Mata Prasad Pandey is the senior most Samajwadi Party leader. He has been the former Speaker of the UP Assembly, and he is the best choice for the LOP since Akhilesh Yadav is in the Parliament as a member of Parliament. So it's the best choice to make Mata Prasad Pandey as LOP of UP Assembly.
Okay, all right. So caste equations playing an important role. Remember, the Samajwadi Party has had one of its best performances in the Lok Sabha elections in Uttar Pradesh this time around, and wanting to continue it. Caste equations also played a part in deciding the Leader of Opposition in the Assembly. This was a post that was held by Akhilesh Yadav, but now it has been given to Mata Prasad Pandey. But the party also announced the Chief Whip of the party. Kamal Akhtar has been appointed as the Chief Whip of the party, and Rakesh Kumar Verma has been appointed as the Deputy Whip.
Well, you know, the definition of PDA also changed constantly. Some said it was Pichra Dalit Alpasankyak, then it became Pichra Dalit All. Now a reaction is coming in from the Samajwadi Party spokesperson Fakhrul Hasan, who says Akhilesh Yadav said that in PDA the letter A means Agda. Listen it.
सवाल ये कि सवाल पीडीए पे कौन उठा रहा है? वो जो खुद दिल्ली से लखनऊ के चक्कर काट रहे हैं, जिनका सफर अभी भी पूरा नहीं हो पाया है, और जहां तक पीडीए का सवाल है, आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने अपनी प्रेस में ही इस बात को कहा था कि समाजवादी पार्टी के पीडीए में एक और अगड़ा है, वो अगड़ा जो समाजवादी सोच का है, जो सबको साथ लेके चलने में विश्वास रखता है। समाजवादी पार्टी ने माता प्रसाद पांडे जी को विधानसभा में नेता प्रतिपक्ष बनाया है। वो वरिष्ठ समाजवादी नेता हैं, समाजवादी पार्टी के संस्थापक नेता रहे हैं। इसलिए समाजवादी पार्टी समझती सारे विधायकों की ये इच्छा थी, सर्वसम्मति से उनके नाम पे मोहर लगी है। वो पीडीए की जो लड़ाई है वो आगे भी माता प्रसाद पांडे जी भी लेके चलेंगे।
So in hours from now, the monsoon session will begin and fireworks expected with a resurgent opposition. We're keeping a track of that, but for now, a quick break.